Guys ng shrimps, garlic shrimps. My own way of cooking garlic shrimps. And guys, ang ating shrimps, nilagyan natin ng konting honey yan. Para mas masarap. Tsaka bell pepper. Paminta. Seasoning, of course. And guys, malapit na maluto ang ating shrimps. Kaya ano natin ang konting sabaw. Malapit na yan guys. Ayan ang ating garlic chicken guys. So, enjoy natin ang ating food. Good for breakfast, dinner, or lunch. Kahit anong gustong time yung kumain guys. Ayan na siya guys. Thank you so much for watching.